Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how to clear cache on iPhone on Safari. Make sure friends before starting subscribe to the channel. Also please put your likes under this video and write your comments. So let us friends with you start. Actually resetting cache in Safari application is very simple. For this, you will need to click on settings on your iPhone. Then please scroll down to the bottom, tap apps, and then find the Safari app. You can do the search bar or swipe. Next, you will need to swipe down. And here you will need to click on one single option, Clear Website History and Data. With this, you will clear the cached and such data in one simple and quick movement. You can also choose, for example, for what period of time you want to delete the history. And then confirm your action. That, friends, is the quick and simple method you will easily clear all the cache on iPhone in Safari. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write your comments and put likes. Take care, friends.